My Asian corn avocado salad is probably my #1 most requested dish from my friends and family who are frequent guests at my dinner table. The beauty of it is that it's so easy, but people think it's so delicious, and I'm going to tell you how to make it. So it is really not so many ingredients. It's corn, scallions, seasoned rice vinegar, toasted sesame oil, brown sugar, sesame seeds, salt, pepper, fresh crushed garlic, and avocados. So you're going to start by cutting the corn off the cob and preheating your oven on broil. You're going to put the corn on an aluminum tray and you're going to drizzle some toasted sesame oil, salt, and fresh crushed black pepper, and you're gonna toss it all together and put it under the broiler. You're going to put it on the top rack. I'd say you'd roast it for about 12 minutes. It depends how hot your broiler is, but you're going to toss it as it's roasting, and you want it to reach a nice light brown, not too cooked, because you'll see your corn volume is going to disappear. I want to make aware these are not the proper proportions. You'd have a lot more corn to this amount of scallions. I'd say I'm making a portion for 8 ears of corn because again, the corn is going to shrink. While that's cooking, you can mix together your dressing so that it's ready for later. The beauty of this is that you can prep it well in advance until the end and then mix everything together. So you're going to mix together the seasoned rice vinegar with brown sugar. It can be light brown, dark brown, it really does not matter. And I'd say for every 1/4 cup of the seasoned rice vinegar, I'd put about an 1/8 cup of the brown sugar and 2 to 3 fresh crushed garlic cloves. You're gonna mix that together. You can put it in a Tupperware, put it in the fridge till later, leave it out, it really doesn't matter. In the meantime, you're also going to chop your scallions into very fine, I'd say 1/8 inch rounds. And again, since you can prep this in advance, which I highly recommend if you're cooking a big meal, you can put it in a Ziploc and store it for later. And once you are ready to serve, you are then going to cut your avocado, okay, inside, say, 1/4 to 1/2 inch cubes. You're going to put your corn, half your scallions, and half your sesame seeds into the bowl. You're gonna mix it together with the dressing. And I do this without the avocado in it so that the avocado doesn't make the rest of the salad look mushy, so that the dressing is evenly distributed. Then you're going to put your chopped avocado into the salad, toss it lightly, and then you're going to sprinkle a few more sesame seeds on top and some more scallions on top for a nice garnish so that it looks beautiful in the dish. Be careful not to put too much garlic because remember, this is raw garlic, so it's sharp and you just want a little kick. This is a delicious and super easy recipe, guaranteed to please your guests.